today we're going to be doing a parachute engineering experiment. Yes, that's right, we're going to be making a parachute with only a few ingredients. I mean, not ingredients, materials, and this it is. You need a paper napkin, a ruler, some thread, scissors, tape, and a cup. First step is you take the ruler, you measure 40 centimeters of the thread, and then you cut 4 pieces of 40 centimeters, and they should look like this. Just like this, we place the string, like the 40-inch strings on the edges of the corners diagonally, and then we tape them. So now we just tape it down. Tape it all down. Guys, see, can see how I taped it all to the napkin. It should be straight, just like that. And now what we do is we gather the ends of the string. And now I've gathered all of these strings, and now we attach to the cup. The cup, not the gup. So then you attach the strings to the cup. I use tape, but you can also use stickers. And now we simply turn it over. Oh man, this is the trickiest part, I bet. Oh no. Is that good? Okay. Now that our parachute is done, you can put like a little Lego man in here. And let's give it a test. Let's give it a test. I'm gonna drop this from upstairs. 3, 2, 1. And man, it's not even broken and it's not damaged. It's nothing. It's ready to go again. I'm gonna show you guys one more drop, and we'll see how that goes. I'll make another video of a different materials, but for now, I think I would say this is past its test. Mission. Bring the invisible Lego man down. Woo! It almost landed straight up. So, hope you like the video. Make some of your own mini parachutes. So the parachute, when you fall down, your gravity is pulling you down. When air hits the object, it pushes the object, and then that creates something called drift. Drift will slow the object down, and so yeah, the parachute experienced a lot of drift when falling down. So I mean, that's how this baby worked. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see you later, alligator. Hey, parachute, wanna try again?